What's up, guys? Today I got something that everybody does, but not everybody does it in the snow. We got last month's MTB Pro box and I'm going to show it to you guys. So I'm out here with Fishing with Spence. He's being the cameraman right now. And we got some pretty good stuff in here. We're pretending to ice fish with no ice right now. We're out here doing some urban fishing in the Spokane Valley. And yeah, so let's get to it. Well, this is the sticker it came with. Pretty sweet. The first thing that we got right now is a Strike tournament grade tungsten jerk bait. Looks pretty sweet. I imagine that it's suspending. The next thing that we got is a Z-Man bucktail chatterbait. Those are always great. 3/8 ounce. Z-Man makes some of the best chatterbaits. Oh, I've seen these before. We got a Carolina kit. Comes with these little brass rings, so it makes lots of noise underwater. Little beads and a swivel. You can hear that. Sounds good. And then we got a one knocker Booyah lipless crankbait, which is great for this time of year. MTB does a really good job of matching the hatch for the season. You know, you can vertical jig this ice fishing. You can, you know, throw it and slow roll it. You can do a lot of different things with these. And then we have the Strike King Rage Tail. Probably one of the most popular trailers and just overall creature style baits out there. With their exclusive coffee scent, which is early in the morning, so might need that right now. And then we got the Streaky Curly Tails by Z-Man. Like a giant grub style bait that you could probably use as a trailer or Texas rig it or put it on a swim bait head. You know, you could do a lot of different things with these too. And I really like Z-Man. They make really like tough baits. You can catch multiple fish with the same bait, which is always good. And then last but definitely not least, we have one of Carl's amazing baits, which kind of looks like a slim shake worm or a shaky head worm or a drop shot style worm. And it's got this really sweet color to it. It's got like this green and red flake with a natural colored brown, which I love natural colors. I don't know about you guys, but natural colors always seem to work the best around this area at least. And it comes with this card which tells you the value that you got. So if I'm not mistaken, this box is 25 bucks or 26 bucks, something like that. And you get a lot more baits and you get a lot of bang for your buck. So I went to University High School. I'm not very good at math, so I'm not going to add this up. But yeah, that's what comes in last month. I think it's pretty sweet. Really good box. So we're going to close this one up and we're going to jump right into this month's. All right, so we got the month of December, which this should be a good one. It's Christmas month, so this should hook it up. If I'm smart enough to open it, here we go. Just kidding. We've got a Deep Thud Series Vexen deep diving crankbait in chartreuse and orange. Kind of got a perch pattern on there. Half ounce. Sounds like it's got one single knocker in there, which is great for wintertime. And oh, let's show the sticker. Oh, this one is sweet. It's got a space bass. A freaking space bass. That's American right there. And we got some EWG hooks, which are always great for this time of year. Small presentation and just a really good hook. I really like their stickers hooks. I really do. Some Googan baits, Dragon Drops. And the color on these are Sunset Bug. They kind of got this darker colored red flake top and the bottom's brown. And you could do a ton of different things with these. You can actually rip them in half, put them on a Ned head, use them as a Ned rig. You can obviously put them on a shaky head, drop shot. You know, you can do a lot of different things with these, and that's just great. And then we got Riot Baits. Doesn't really tell us the name of it, but it's obviously some sort of drop shot or shaky head worm. And it's a green pumpkin colored. It's got this little tassel on the end of it that probably gives some pretty good action under water. And I don't know about you guys, but I really like tassels. And then we got a swim jig from Booyah. A 1/2 ounce swim jig. The skirt's got some pretty crazy colors on it. It's a black and red flake. It's got some green pumpkin and like a lighter green pumpkin color. Oh wow. And as Spencer just pointed out, it's got rattles, which are always good. We got a freaking swim bait, which everybody always loves swim baits. This one looks really cool. It's like a baby bass or something, I'm not quite sure, but it seems like it would work really good. It's got a lot of segments in it, which gives it that crazy wobble action. And then last but definitely not least, because these are probably my favorite things in the box, that's why I picked them last, we got the 10,000 fish saw craw. And I really like the color on it, like a lot. It's pretty sweet. They're pretty big. This would be a really good flipping bait. You could use it as a trailer. You do a lot of different things with it, and I really like the color. I really like this 10,000 fish brand. They do a lot of cool stuff. We got the card with the price of everything on it, covered in snow, because that's how we do it in the Northwest. So you're definitely getting a lot of bang for your buck in the month of December. You got swim baits and all sorts of sweet things. So that's what we got. If you liked what you saw, go ahead and give it a like or subscribe. You guys take care. Hopefully stay warm and have a very Merry Christmas.